Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll start our new chapter, presentations with Microsoft PowerPoint. You are knowing why we are using a PowerPoint to make a slide. If you want to show your idea or your view in a slide way, means one by one the slide paper will be come and that you are explaining about that particular your idea. That time we are using a PowerPoint presentation, means to show your view, your ideas in front of audience with the help of this presentation. Then here learning targets are the concept of slideshow, then basic elements, different types of slide layouts. Different types of layouts means so which type of layout, which type of slide you want. Means sometimes you want to show only a content, sometimes you want to show a table, sometimes you want to show a picture, and that picture, audio, video, if you want to explain the audience, that time you have to use layouts, and different layouts are there, that layouts you used. Then create a presentation. Create a presentation means make a rough presentation, means what you want to show the audience. First slide what you want to show, second slide what you want, so that you have to prepare very rough. You have to prepare the presentation and then start making the presentation with the help of this Microsoft PowerPoint. Then save a presentation, how to save your presentation, how to view your presentation. Then different views are there, normal view, shorter view, handouts view. Means how to view means how to you have to view means how you have to display the slide in the monitor or screen. Then edit and format a slide. If you want to edit some slide or if you want to format a slide, then you can do. Add titles and subtitles means if you want to add a title, subtitle, that you do. Then if you want to format that text, if you want to change the text, add background, watermark, header, footer. This all are the features in the PowerPoint presentation. Then insert a picture from files. Means from files means if you want to insert a picture, then you can first of all you can download the images with the help of online internet, or if you are already having, then insert from that particular file. Then animations, if you want to insert some animation inside the slide, that you can do. Then add sound effects. Sound effects means suppose if you want to explain about the space, so space here if you want to, or any transport means water transport, air transport, land transport, there if you want to run that vehicle, means what is air transport, how it fly, what is land transport, how it is run, what is water transport, how it is float in the water, that if you want to show, that you can show with the help of these animations. And if you want to show some sound effects, that also. Then rehearse timing also, if you want to set the time to show a presentation, that time you have to select the rehearse timing. So these are the learning targets which we had discussed in this chapter, which will be discussed in this chapter. The first one is introduction. PowerPoint is a multimedia presentation software. It is a part of the Microsoft Office packages of application. Microsoft PowerPoint software is used to create professional looking slideshow that can be displayed on projector or big screen television. So you are knowing, if you want to show your views, that you can do with the help of the projector. You are knowing a big size, big size we are knowing, and big screen television also. The product of this software is called a presentation. Usually a presenter speaks to the audience and uses the PowerPoint presentation for user to hold the listener attention and add visual information. Means if you are explaining without showing anything, if you are explaining, means the audience will not be getting very bored, and then they will not listen your ideas of your presentation, your views on that time. So you have to make attention, you have to make them attention to see what you are saying, what you are explaining, and what you are displaying on the presentation, that you have to make attention. That's why you have to make a PowerPoint presentation very attractive manner. Very attractive manner means simply you are showing the lines, simply you are showing reading the points, you are not showing any images, you are not showing any animations, you are not means entertaining. That entertaining means that you are explaining, that time you have to show that your ideas, and then that your ideas become their ideas also, you have to show. Then PowerPoint is an easy to learn program that is used worldwide for presentation in business and classrooms. Means if you want to show your views or your that ideas, means it is used in the presentation in the business purpose also, means business purpose, and then classroom also if you want to show your presentation. Then PowerPoint presentations are equally suitable for huge audience. Huge audience means a very large amount of people where came there to see your presentation or to know about your presentation. There you can use the presentation, and a small group where they can be used for educational, marketing, training and other purpose. Then come to the how to getting a PowerPoint. First of all, you have to click on start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Office 2010. PowerPoint 2010 you have to select, and or if you want to type that, you can type PowerPoint, the window will be open. Okay, the PowerPoint window opens to show up showing a blank presentation. When you want PowerPoint, it opens to the normal view, and where you create or work on its slides. Like this it will open. So see the picture it is given here. See the picture and see the read the label also, which one is known as a home tab, design tab, insert tab, file tab, ribbon, quick access toolbar, title bar, slide outline tab. This all it is shown here. That placeholder, note pen, status bar, view button, zoom button. This all it is showing in this figure. You see, and means you can learn where it is situated and what the view, what the tab is known as. And this is the placeholder where we are making a what slide. Then some components of PowerPoint presentation. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the presentation on which you are working currently. Here's title bar, it is given here. See the title bar here, the name of presentation, and if you want to change the presentation, you can change with the help of this. Then ribbon. The ribbon contains 8 tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. Each tab has several groups. Within each groups are commands button to carry out the various tools. Yes, these are the tools, and under the tools many buttons are there, several groups are there we are using while making a slide. Quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar lets you access common commands on the ribbon. Default it includes to save, undo, tapping, repeat, tapping commands. You can add other commands users to customize quick access toolbar button. So then here if you want to change the quick access toolbar, which button you are using again and again, that you have to select and do this. Then slide pane. In the slide pane, you can work directly or individual slides. Presentation is made up of a series of slides. Then slide outline tab, their thumbnail of version, full size it is given. If you want to see the full size, it is shown there. Then here if you want to copy and paste, delete, organize the slide. Means if you want to copy, paste and organize your slide, means as a sequence wise, or sequence if you want to change, you can change with the help of this. Then placeholder. Placeholder holds text, clip arts, chart and other object that you want to place in the placeholder. We had seen here na placeholder. This is the placeholder. Click it. There if you want to give any, means select anything, you can select with the help of this. Then notepad. Notepad you can means you can, if you want to write something at the bottom, that note if you want to, means this slide is presented by this, or this slide is for this purpose, that you have, if you want to add something, so you can add with the help of this notepad. The status bar. Status bar means the status bar display the number of the slide and which slide you are working, that all it is it will be shown. And then along with the name of design tablet, it use the status bar for view buttons and zoom control. Means these two buttons are also there in the status bar. Then vertical horizontal scroll bar. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars can be there to see the slide. As the slide is not visible, then you can scroll up and down or left and right like this. So here creating a first slide. How to create a first slide? First of all, PowerPoint by default display the slide loaded. To create this is known as the slide, which is, if you are opening a PowerPoint presentation, this will show the first one is click to add title area, or click to add subtitle area. These two will be shown, means this is the by default slide will be appear if you are opening the PowerPoint presentation first time. And if you want to change the slide layout, you can change with the help of different layouts are there. So like this, here the computer fundamental is added in the click on add title area, and subtitle is presentation by Pratik sir. ठीक है, like this it is given. So next class children will discuss the using slide layouts. Thank you.